Sometime after Hurricane Ian, Seacoast Building and Design conducted a thorough 37-point inspection of Mr. Jackson's damaged tile roof. His Seacoast representative showed him photos of many missing, broken, and displaced tiles on his home. Rick filed an insurance claim, and Seacoast met their insurance adjuster on site to support his inspection. Mr. Jackson's insurance company agreed with the Seacoast team's findings and processed the claim to replace the tile roof. The home's roof was replaced with New Point Saxony 900 slate roof tile in coconut white antique. It airs a beautiful design representative of styles found in England, Northern Europe, and the U.S. Eastern Seaboard. Versatile enough to accentuate any architectural style. The Saxony 900 tile is a superior roofing solution specifically designed to excel in Florida's unique climate and building requirements. It is by default low maintenance, requiring minimal upkeep for added convenience.
Well, we had hurricane damage. It actually started with the first one, Hurricane Irma, which we had damage. We filed a claim, which was denied. Ian came along, did more damage, filed a claim that got denied. And that's when we started involving Seacoast Building and Design. I contacted them to help us figure out how to take next steps with the insurance company, since we knew we were going to have a fight and a battle with them.
Months later, Mr. Jackson is pleased with his new roof and gutter repairs. He has recommended Seacoast Building and Design to his neighbors who are dealing with similar circumstances.
And then I'll fast forward to once we got the claim approved, the actual replacement of the roof was first class. Very professional. It was done rather quickly. I was surprised, even over the holidays. This was done within 2 weeks.
Seacoast professionals deliver top-tier workmanship, whether for new roof installations, repairs, or maintenance. We understand that every residential and commercial customer may have different needs. Therefore, we expertly tailor each roofing project to preferences and budget. Seacoast Building and Design is always prepared for the upcoming weather events that Florida experiences during hurricane season. If your Southwest Florida home, condominium, or business requires roof repair or replacement, you now have a reliable resource to turn to with confidence.
So yes, I would recommend Seacoast Building and Design to any of my friends